Right guys, in today's vlog we are on another boat trip. We are actually at the port of Zante this time, not Laguners. We're going to one of the most famous beaches in Europe, Shipwreck Beach, otherwise known as Navagio or Smuggler's Cove. We'll also be checking out the blue caves and some waters that are like a natural spa, so good for your skin. 3 swim stops, an hour and 40 minutes. We won't be giving you all of them, but we will be showing you a lot of the stuff that we get up to. And again, trying to do a bit of snorkeling as well. If you're new to the channel, I'm Ross. Kate's here. We're Kross Travel. We do holiday things and tourist destinations. I know I just got them mixed up, but it's just staying in. So if you like what you see, click like and subscribe down there. It's absolutely free. And click that notification bell down there. But let's see what this is like.
She's a roller coaster, oh she's a flame. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain. I won't try to stop her, she can't be tamed. I'm so in love with her, I fall and try again. Get up and try again.
So we got halfway out of the port, and I've now come back. No word as to why, we don't know what's going on. We are just floating where we started. Not a clue. I don't know if people are late, I don't know what. Nothing's been communicated. We're all just sat here wondering. Not a good start. So we're now being told to get off the boat due to an anchor fault. Absolutely shocking so far. Right, so a quick update, we have managed to get on another boat. Thankfully, we're quite lucky really. Just hanging around there, won't we? But yeah, hopefully this one leaves. I hope I'm not speaking too soon, but after an hour, we are finally off. What an absolute farce that was. Right, anyway, just enjoy this now. We hope.
No, I ain't giving you up, no, move
stop in at Xigia. It's a bit of beach, but it's like a lot of sulphur in the sea. If you really smell it, it stinks. It's supposed to be really good for your skin and bones though, and we have been advised if you're not a very good swimmer to not go in the sea here. It does look a bit choppy, so I'm going to give it a miss. Are you giving it a miss?
I don't know.
Kate still doesn't know, she might go in, but I'm going to have to give it a miss because I'm not the strongest swimmer. But it really smells strongly, doesn't it? It stinks, yeah. But it looks beautiful. The sea is so clear. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, it smells horrific.
Days of romantic prose and lilac wine.
So that was our first stop at Xigia, and now we're off again and we'll catch up with the next stop. I think it's going to be Shipwreck Beach, but I'm not entirely sure. But we'll see when we get there, won't we?
Nights out under the sky, watching stars align. Days of making sweet honey, Melissa lemon balm. Nights as warm as your breath on my chest, so calm. Now baby, let the summer breeze carry us away. Let the summer breeze carry us away, baby, to a place where the sun always shines on to summer lovers. Just before you know it, the summer has gone. Halfway into life, you think you've seen it all, but I've never seen a smile like yours. How could any man alive not fall and let the forces of love take their course? Let the summer breeze carry us away. Let the summer breeze carry us away, baby, to a place where the sun always shines on to summer lovers. Just before you know it, the summer has gone. Tell me love is autumn on its way. Yeah, yeah. Tell me love is summer here to stay.
So that was a stop at the 1 million year old Blue Caves of Kross, and also the most northern point of the island. And on the other side of the boat we got in the island of Catalonia for you as well. But now let's carry on.
Summer is autumn on its way. Tell me love is summer here to stay.
Yeah, this is very right, so you've got a lot of buffer, right?
I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. Oh, no, we run the show. Let's get loud, come on, lose control. Got to live or we get too old. Come on, shine, shine a little tonight. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Ain't no limit when we go for gold. We can shine, shine a little tonight. Shine a little tonight. Shine a little Let's hit the club, time to make a move, we got it late, ain't got nothing to prove, I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. Oh, no, we run the show. Let's get louder, come on, lose control.
Absolutely unbelievable how blue the water is, isn't it? It is amazing. It is so beautiful. One of the top 5 beaches in the world, apparently. Or maybe it's just Greece, let's say that. Who knows? Who knows? Maybe it is in the top 5, who knows? Yeah, what do you think? Comment down below. But it is absolutely amazing here. So apparently that there was a little port, it's a place that looks into the sea. Apparently, according to the Greeks, that is the face of a god that protects Zante from the ocean. There you go. So we are supposed to actually be back at Zante port by now, but because they put us on a different boat, it's actually a different trip. And now we've got another 3 hours on this boat. I'm going to be honest, I'm not feeling great. Tired, I'm hungry. It's been an early morning, we've skipped breakfast, thinking we'd be back by lunch, be alright. I don't want to sound like I'm moaning too much, but I am. We'll just have to make the most of it, won't we? So yeah, let's take a look at where we are now.
So you don't know what you're doing, and the walls are closing in. Just remember where we're going, and remember where we've been. We can breathe underwater, nothing can hurt us anymore. And as long as we're together, it doesn't matter where we are. But I do hear the oceans roar. If you ever think it's pointless, I will remind you that it's not. And the world will dance around us. They wanna know what we've got. We can breathe underwater, nothing can hurt us
but I do hear the oceans roar.
So how was that for an experience? Do you know what? Because it turned into a full-day tour, I think if I'd have booked the tour, I would have enjoyed it. Do you know what I mean? But we booked half a day. And to be honest, I don't think it's worth going to Shipwreck Beach if you can't even go on there. Do you know what I mean? We're just going there to look at a rusty old boat. I mean, people are going to disagree. Yes, the water's beautiful. Yes, the beach looks fantastic, and the views are really nice. I do feel it's a little bit overrated for what it is. And we get halfway around on the full island tour that you're not expecting. In the end, I couldn't help but thinking I'm just looking at more rocks. I'm looking at more rocks, more caves, more cliffs. And there seems to be a story about things. I'm thinking, where am I looking? And then it comes up and I think, oh right, okay, there it is. It's just a cave. Do you know, and I don't want to sound too negative, but I wouldn't recommend that trip anyway. I'd much rather do the turtle cruise again.
Yeah.
It was a lot more fun. It was a lot shorter. The sea was less rough. It got a bit choppy. I started feeling a bit dodgy in my stomach. But we survived. Anyway, that is all for this week. Don't forget, if you enjoyed the video anyway, then click like and subscribe down there. It's absolutely free. You can follow us on Facebook, and you can ding our notification bell as well. But we'll see you next week. Bye bye.